Hello friends, I am Raihana. Welcome to my channel. In my restaurant review of Beijing Chinese restaurant located in Sharjah, I had told you about one of my favorite dish from there, which is called Beijing fish. Today I am going to show you how to make my version of this. So let's get started. All the ingredients and their measurements will be given in the description box below. Here we have some Dori fish cut into cubes. I am adding to it soy sauce, vinegar and pepper powder. Now you can add some cornstarch and rice flour, which will result in the fried fish being nicely crispy. Add some salt. At this stage, be very careful not to add too much as the soy sauce already contains salt. Now coat the fish properly with all the ingredients. You must check the salt once again and add and adjust salt as well as vinegar at this stage and mix well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now the next step is to cook the fish in some vegetable oil for about 2 minutes on each side or until cooked. I have used here sunflower oil. The Dori fish will get cooked really fast. Once the fish is cooked well, remove the fish onto another plate and let's move on to the sauce preparation. In the oil which you fried the fish, saute a generous amount of garlic finely chopped until aromatic. If you feel that excess oil is there, remove some oil before adding the garlic. After the garlic is slightly cooked, add in chopped onion and saute well. You don't need to make the onion and garlic brown, you just have to make them translucent. Next, I have added some white part of the green onion. This adds a special flavor to the gravy. Next, add some dried red chili and chili flakes. Chili flakes I am adding 2 teaspoons. Then mix everything together very well. Once all the ingredients are mixed well and the onion and garlic becomes translucent nicely, you have to pour some soy sauce and oyster sauce along with some tomato ketchup. Let's mix everything together. At this point, you must add some sugar to balance the flavor. This is a very important tip that you must follow. Now the gravy is ready. To the gravy, you can add the fried fish and coat it with the sauce nicely. That's it. After coating the fish completely with the gravy, we are done with the preparation. Next, you can take off the fish from the heat and top it with some green onions and it's ready to serve. So here is my creation of Beijing Chinese fish. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. See you soon in another episode. Till that time, take care and bye bye.